Want to know how to turn those baggy sweatpants into fitted joggers? Then stay tuned for this step-by-step tutorial, and at the end of the video, I'll show a featured blooper. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump into the materials that we will need for this project. First, you're gonna turn your pants inside out and lay it flat. Then take your favorite pair of joggers or fitted pants and lay it right on top. Next, trace your pants with a fabric pencil or some chalk. I absolutely recommend using chalk. I mean, it could be that I have a really cheap fabric pencil, but it was so difficult just to make a mark on this sweatpant material. It took way more effort than it should have. Then I used a combination of pins and sewing clips to pin the fabric together. When pinning your fabric, make sure it is laid out completely flat. Otherwise, you might accidentally sew or pin together a small gathering, or it ends up coming out crooked when you're done. Now, some people at this stage cut the excess fabric off now, but I like to err on the safe side. So just like when you're pinning, when you're sewing, you want to make sure your fabric is completely flat, because with the two sides, you never know if the underside fabric may fold under as it's going through the machine. So take your time here and don't rush. And I always like to try my project on inside out just to double check and make sure that everything looks and fits right. And it's a good thing I did, because there were some parts that were still a little too baggy for my liking, so I made adjustments. After you're done running your pants through the sewing machine, it's time to remove all those pins. Now that you are happy with the fit, you can have a good clean conscience and cut the excess. Question of the day: what item of clothing in your closet would you love to be able to alter into something new? Let me know in the comments below. Now just turn it right side out and try them on. You have your brand new pair of joggers. For weekly videos of DIYs and crafts, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check out the bloopers at the end of the video. And I hope to see you next week. Then I used a combination of wow.